What's good, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Hole. Welcome to my channel. We're making money as a concept. The market cap's at 203 billion right now. Just an update on the market. I haven't updated. I'm sure you already know, but a lot of people were just saying that last dip was because Goldman Sachs ditching the Bitcoin trading desk, and he came out a few days ago saying that no, we are not ditching. That was fake news. So that was just a cover up. And here is a little bit of proof of insider trading. The 74 million Bitcoin short. This short was actually placed. This position was actually placed a few days before that huge $1,000 dip, which this article is saying 400 and 600, but it turned out to be close to $1,000 dip because we were like at 7,500 and it dipped all the way to like 66, 65. So somebody had to know something. So 2 days ago, an unknown trader shorted Bitcoin for $74 million, 10,000 BTC. This was actually September 6th when this article came out, so it was around September 4th. The timing seems a little too perfect to be coincidental. It would appear the investor had some kind of insider information, whether it be from Goldman Sachs, a decision, which that doesn't apply because Goldman Sachs came out and said no, that we are continuing on. That was fake news, or something yet to come to light. Admittedly, the majority of analysts have been predicting a minor downturn over the past few days, but the severity and speed of this one excuse me of the short raises serious questions. Whatever it is just one more nail in the coffin of the Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF decision. Price manipulation is exactly the reason the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission has rejected every Bitcoin ETF proposal so far. The SEC is supposed to come to a decision on the VanEck Bitcoin ETF in 20 days time. That's the CBOE. With this new information, it's likely they will get rejected before then. I'm not sure how how that is, because I thought the CBOE ETF had insurance as far as market manipulation, but yes, this does not look good for ETF decision. Market manipulation happens all the time. Most of the times you don't see it, but this one was just so significant and so massive that we do see it. I mean, some guy shorting Bitcoin for 74 million, 10,000 BTC that's pretty unheard of, unless he knew something that nobody else didn't. Like, who would make that bet? Because there was so much positive sentiment in the market at that point in time, that who was crazy enough to go put 74 million short Bitcoin, which is betting against Bitcoin, which is betting that Bitcoin will go down. It just goes to show you the top 1% get richer while everybody else gets poorer. It's crazy, but everybody thought this was the start of the bull run. We had that 200 moving average and the 50-day moving average cross, which is a bullish sign. And then this happens, so you never know. That's why technical analysis will never show you the gist of anything. You know what I mean? Everybody was bullish for those couple days when Bitcoin was continually to run up. Then this happens, and of course this unknown trader knew something that nobody else did, and was like, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and go put my short position in because such and such said he's about to dip off. He's about to dump 100,000 BTC tokens. But that's my gripe for that. Other than that, Linea is doing okay. Ether's doing okay. Arbitraging, though, has had some huge news for price action. I'm gonna get to it here in a second. Let's go to the announcements. All right, so company buyback policy, which I think is going to be huge. Don't get me wrong, arbitraging is meant to be produced and sold, so there will be a lot of selling pressure regardless if they do this or not, but this will help out with the price long term. It says, starting today, Arbitraging started company buyback. We are auto buying 60 tokens at market value every 1 hour on the Eternal Exchange. We will continue this auto buying. You can see it on the history at such and such at 1 second to 3 seconds in the market history every hour. This will help cut down on the circulating supply. We will keep all purchase tokens in cold storage. This is 1,440 tokens per day, 10,080 per week, or 43,200 per month. Thank you. That is huge news. Hopefully they keep up with what they're saying, because in turn that would help out the price. It might take a while. It's not going to be an instant type thing, but I know there is a lot of selling pressure because people that are in ABOT get their payouts every day, so they're going to be selling coins every day. That's what's keeping the price down, is because everybody gets a payout from ABOT and then they sell their coins to make a profit. So that's why I say there's more selling pressure on it. Arbitraging is meant to be produced through ABOT. You put your money in and it produces arbitraging tokens for you while you keep your money in it. So producing ABOT coins, or arbitraging coins, and those coins are going to be sold. So it says starting tomorrow we change ABOT payout method. Your ABOT will be assigned a number 0 to 9. Your ABOT will be paid out these given times. So they're spreading out the payouts. This will help spread the payout and help sustainability. And the Arb Recycle program, what everybody's been speculating on. Arb will allow you to recycle your old worthless tokens for recycled gas in our MBOT. We will buy your unusable and worthless tokens, yes, old worthless scam coins too, for 1 cent, and allow you to use them as MBOT gas. Mixed with Arb token gas, so you can finally turn them into something that can make you money. And we will then bury all those now worthless coins that we accept for recycle. For example, your MBOT will hold $500 in gas. We will allow recycled gas tank to hold $20 in recycled gas. So I don't know if that's the max that they would give you for your worthless coins, $20 in recycled gas. If you have recycled gas, MBOT will use a ratio on a gas use of 90% Arb-based gas and 10% of your recycled gas. If your recycled tank runs out, it will use 100% regular gas. We will start accepting ERC20 tokens and then move to other coins like BCC, which I do have some BitConnect coins, but they're only paying 1 penny. I mean, BCC coins are worth more than that. It is our form of community service. So that is, to me, that seems like a green light that MBOT is coming pretty soon, that they're doing this, in preparation of MBOT to be released. Because why else would they, put this out there? So that's some positive news, especially the company buyback policy. Because Crypto Face made a video the other day. It was like everybody's missing out on ABOT. Everybody's just got their Arb tokens just sitting there waiting on price action. Well, I'm not going to throw my money in ABOT if I'm at a loss. You know what I mean? So paying at 0.8% a day, it would take a while for you to get back that loss and then start making a profit. You know what I mean? So I am going to sit there and wait for the price action to actually put me in positive before I throw my tokens in ABOT. I mean, I wish that wasn't the case. I want to throw it in ABOT right now, but with Ethereum crashing and the recent dips and Arb not, that's one thing. Per Ethereum, our price really hasn't changed. It's Ethereum that's killing us right now. But so I'm still going to wait for the ABOT, or for the R price to go up a little bit more before I actually invest more. Before I invest in ABOT, but I am going to buy more R because I think these prices are super cheap. You know what I mean? $1.64 or 0.007 ETH it's pretty cheap for an arbitraging token. So I'm going to be buying, that's going to be my weekly pick too. I'm just going to be buying more arbitraging with my 125 weekly plan. So that's that, and that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment on what you guys think about the markets and about the new arbitraging. I think everybody's excited about it. And you know, opening weekend for football, for NFL football. Of course, we got college football today, NFL football tomorrow. Go Cowboys. Health, wealth, success, and happiness. I holla.